Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of gaming basics. In this video we are going to learn how to delete Hamster Kombat Telegram. So as you know that we can open this Hamster Kombat through Telegram. So to do that, first you have to open Telegram. Now after you open this Telegram account, you can see this Hamster Kombat page with the official blue tick from where you can play this game. Now simply go to your chat list and swipe left to this chat, and here you can see three different options. Click on delete, and here you can see if you want to permanently delete this Hamster Kombat, click on delete and block. And another step is that you can uninstall this Telegram and it will also delete the Hamster Kombat from your phone. So these are the simple steps that you can follow to delete your Hamster Kombat Telegram. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.